Hi, I'm Janelle from MyCase. In this video, the second in our billing and invoicing series, I will show you how to use hourly time and expense tracking. Once you start working on a case, you'll want to track the time you spend and the expenses you accrue throughout the case. MyCase makes this easy for you and members of your firm to do. There are multiple places to track time entries. Let's select the time entry icon to add an entry from the dashboard. Once we do that, we'll add the case we are working on by selecting the drop-down and finding the case. If someone from your firm is working on the case, select their name. Then we will select the activity we were working on. If the activity is not listed, we can add it by choosing Add New Activity and typing in the activity being done. Select if the time entry is billable, and if needed, add a description. Then update the rate and duration details. Select Save or Save and New to add a new time entry. You can also go to the Case Details tab or the Add toolbar to record time and billing. Once you start using MyCase, you will find the cadence that works best for you. If you would like to add multiple entries, select Bulk in the Add Time Entry window. This feature targets firm users who enter time on behalf of another user or report their time at the end of the day, week, or month. There is also a timer located in the upper right corner of the screen next to the Add Item toolbar. Once the timer starts, we can move around anywhere in the app and it will continuously track our time. For example, let's say we are working on a case and we hop into a meeting with our client. We can start the timer, link the case we are working on, and enter a description. If interrupted by another activity, we can start a new timer, then the previous timer automatically pauses. Finally, we can select the pause button to save our time entry. You'll notice that our case link description and duration carry over. You can use the hourly billing target option to compare your hourly goals to hours billed. Your timesheet calendar on the billing dashboard will dynamically reflect your progress towards your goals. I can also track the expenses I accrued during the case. The expense icon lives next to the time entry icon and looks nearly identical. The only thing that changes is field for cost and quantity rather than rate and duration. In this video, you learned how to track time. In the next video, we will be looking at expense tracking. If you have any questions about how time entry works, select the Get Help button on the bottom of your screen and type Billing and Invoicing Guide and search for help. Or start a conversation by sending us a message.